PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
Hey, you've clicked onto the ABC 3340 Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday afternoon, the 10th day of July. And you know what? It's raining here at the studio in River Chase as we do the update. Nice to hear the sound of raindrops on the roof. Let's get right to the images today. We'll start with some Skycam shots. These are from the ABC 3340 Skycam network, and look at that. Look at that heavy rain, those big rain shafts off in the distance. That's coming from the Skycam in Etowah County in Gadsden. Jasper, ominous-looking clouds over Walker County early this afternoon. Many of those towers are building into thunderstorms. And finally, the shot down there at the Gulf Coast looks good. There's the sea in suds. And off in the distance, what's left of the state pier that was destroyed by Hurricane Ivan in 2004. But it sure looks like the weather down there is mostly sunny as of early afternoon. On the water vapor satellite imagery, we got the impulse over eastern Oklahoma, aiding in the formation of showers and storms in that region. And that soupy air mass is all across the deep south. And as that shortwave slowly approaches, the chance of showers and storms will stay quite high tonight and tomorrow. Here's a peek at the NexRad radar as of 1:54 this afternoon. A nice array of showers and storms and a broad band from Meridian and Columbus up to Birmingham and Cullman. And these storms are not severe in a classic sense, but they are producing a lot of lightning, very heavy rain, pure tropical downpours. The kind of downpours you'd expect to see in a spiral band coming around a hurricane because of the maritime tropical nature of this air mass. In fact, look at the precipitable water values. Wow, over 2 inches for much of North Alabama, the darker shades of green there. It is so soupy out there. Convective outlook for the rest of this afternoon. There's a slight risk really around the Red River Valley there, separating Texas and Oklahoma, and up north around the Great Lakes and over parts of New England. And look at the QPF map. Woohoo! That's 5 inches. Between Greenville, Mississippi, and Memphis, Tennessee for the bullseye. And around here, that's suggesting rainfall amounts between 2 and 3 inches for north and west Alabama and 1 to 2 inches for east central Alabama. And remember, the numbers are going to just be all over the road because of the convective and scattered nature of the storms, but we do think that those amounts are certainly possible. And that's valid, by the way, through Sunday morning at 7 o'clock. And a quick peek at weather in the tropics, and you can see a little blow up there off the coast of the Carolinas. That is an interesting feature. But needless to say, with the trough digging down from the Great Lakes onto the south, the upper air winds are not favorable for any tropical storm formation out there. So let's go right to the output of the computer model here. We'll take a look at the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow, 1 o'clock Wednesday afternoon. And there's that vortex up north over eastern Canada, the trough diggings down south toward the Tennessee Valley, and at the surface tomorrow, the soupy air goes nowhere. Looks like another day with scattered to numerous showers and storms. And we have a surface front from near Cleveland down to Wichita Falls, Texas. So looks like a pretty wet day tomorrow. And the trend continues toward drying things out Thursday. So, and with a deep trough that is indeed forming, according to the model, I think we'll go ahead and really reduce or maybe just drop the chance of showers on Thursday with dry air intruding for that one day for the northern half of the state. And really, this is suggesting most of the state will be dry. That would be a partly to mostly sunny day with lower humidity. But Friday, the moisture comes back as another front approaches from the north. So Friday will bring back the chance of showers and storms. And there's a look at the upper air pattern on Saturday as we start the weekend. And the weekend forecast is not totally clear-cut here. We've got the trough over the Great Lakes in the northeast and a pretty good-looking vortex over eastern Texas. And let's look at the surface. And with that eastern Texas system, the model shows rain over parts of Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, and southwest Alabama. I'm still not convinced we really dry out there on Saturday. We'll mention showers and storms, perhaps most numerous south of Birmingham at this point. But look at on Sunday now. The moisture comes right back. A 1,016 millibar low develops on the old front, and that looks pretty wet. And, you know, just for 2 days, the model showed no rain on Sunday, and now it's back completely. You just always have to be suspicious of any big drying in July in Alabama. And even Thursday, I'm worried about that. But I think for the weekend, we'll certainly maintain a chance of showers and storms. They could be more numerous on Sunday, Monday of next week. Soupy, moist air, scattered showers and storms, and quite frankly, the same thing on Tuesday of next week. So, indeed, the pattern looks like we'll see above normal rain and below normal temperatures for the next 5 days because of the clouds and showers. We'll go trolling into voodoo country 3 days later. This is valid the 20th of July. Ooh, look what's back. It's the old 594 ring, but this is an outlier. Most all of the previous runs have had kind of a mean trough position farther to the south and no 594 circle, but if by chance that's right, that looks pretty hot and pretty dry. And at the end of this forecast period, valid June the 26th, the westerlies are up north. Pretty high heights. This one has the highest heights over Kentucky, Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio. But again, this run is a complete outlier. Almost all of the other runs we have seen have had that heat bubble way out west. So we kind of discount this run, and we'll just have to wait and see. But I still think the trend for the rest of this month, above normal rain, temperatures may be a bit below normal because of the clouds and showers. And again, this run looks a little off base to us. That's it for the afternoon weather extreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video posted here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.